that? Hi.
Hey, what are you doing out there?
Hi. I'm Zoe.
Who?
Alright, so how do you work out this? So I pressed the blue button, I pressed the round thing, and I saw you.
You did?
Yes. What's the brown? Oh, that's a camera. Daddy, so all I need to do... Wait, Daddy.
Yeah.
How do I get into the door? Do I, press something and it goes in?
No. Just come on in. Bye.